Alright, this video will show you how to access the PreCalculus assessments on the CPM website. So let's start by opening up your browser, typing in ebooks.cpm.org. Once you get to the website, let's select PreCalculus. In the bottom right hand corner, you should see CPM assessment. And the link for creating this assessment is going to show up at the top. So you're going to click on assessment. We'll first go to PreCalculus. Now click on assessment. In the drop down menu, select the chapter that you would like to create an assessment for. We'll take a look at chapter 1. So it's going to download as a document. I'm going to open it up. And notice you have recommendations, chapter 1 topics, and review topics. And once you get to the actual assessment problems, you notice that they give you 5 different problems per section. So you can select whichever questions you would like to build your assessment around. As you continue to look through the document, you notice they also provide section quizzes and team tests. So you have a couple different options. You have problems that extend the thinking, review problems, followed by the lesson answers, and the answers to the team test. And at the very end of the document, you see an actual test that's pre-made.